Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and right here we have this headphones icon, so you need to click on it also. And right here we have user manual. Tap on it. And here it is. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!